saw my face. I haven't been doing so great, so I took a little break.
So a lot of people are saying some things about me that aren't quite true. Doesn't matter if it's true though.
Just as long as it's entertaining to you. Right? You guys having fun? All aboard the toxic gossip train. Chatting down the track, so this information.
The toxic gossip train. You got one-way ticket to manipulation station. Toxic gossip train. Climb into the tracks and harass me for my past.
These rumors look like facts. If you don't mind the gaps, I won't survive in the crush. But hey, at least you're having fun.
I've been sharing my life online for over 15 years.
I poured my heart out to you, and because of that I feel like I'm talking to my friends. But in the beginning of my career, I didn't really understand that maybe there should be some boundaries there. There were times in the DMs when I would overshare details of my life, which is really weird to me.
I haven't done that for years, you see, because I changed my behavior and I took accountability.
But that's not very interesting, is it? So let's go on the toxic gossip train. Both the motives fueled with hateful accusations. Toxic gossip train.
Steamrolled over someone's reputation.
Toxic gossip train. Hop on board but close your eyes, otherwise you'll realize
The train is made of lies, and that person we despise maybe didn't deserve to die, but hey,
at least you're having fun. I thought you wanted me to take accountability, but that's not the point of your mob mentality, is it? No.
your goal is to ruin the life of the person you despise while you dramatize their lies and monetize their demise.
I feel like I can already hear the comments on this video. She's gaslighting, manipulating. Oh, she's a narcissist and a rat. I would never make a mistake like that. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't realize that all of you are perfect, so please criticize me. Bring out the daggers, me from your perfect past, and stab me repeatedly in my bony little back. I'm sure you're disappointed in my shitty little song.
I know you wanted me to say that I was 100% in the wrong. Well, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna take that route of admitting to lies and rumors that you made up for clout.
Everybody I thought so immune to harass. She did some things that I do not like in her past. So everybody gather round, cause we're about to attack.
But not based on facts.
Won't help. You wrote it with the weapons, your fingers on the keys.
You don't need any armor when you can hide behind a screen.
So shoot me down quickly, the click and bam. Our reputation's deceased. The toxic gossip train. You're jogging down the track, so this information. Toxic gossip train.
You got a one-way ticket to manipulation station.
Toxic gossip train.
You tied me to the tracks and harassed me for my crush. Rumors look like facts.
When you don't mind the gaps,
I won't survive in the crash. I hate. Oh yeah. At least you're having fun. What's going on, everybody? I'm Hasanabi Piker, and this Hasanabi broadcast coming to you live from sunny California, Los Angeles, folks. We're live and alive, and I hope all the boys, I hope all the girls, and I hope all of the